Hello everyone. With this video, we will learn how to enable and use fingerprint lock in Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus. To begin, on the home screen, tap on Apps. Tap on Settings. Scroll and tap on Lock Screen and Security. Tap on Fingerprint Scanner. To use your fingerprints to unlock your phone or to verify yourself in apps, you will need to set a secure screen lock and add at least one fingerprint. To do so, tap on Continue. To use fingerprint securely, you will need to set a pattern, PIN or password. Let's set the PIN lock. Tap on Continue. Enter the PIN again to confirm. Tap on OK. Please remember it as you will need it to unlock your device when the device will restart or when it will be left unused for more than 24 hours. Now place a finger on the fingerprint sensor, then lift it off. Please note, move your finger left or right slightly between the attempts. Repeat this action few more times using the same finger until the fingerprint is registered. When the fingerprints will be taken by the device, fingerprint added will appear on the screen. Tap on Done. Tap on Done. And your fingerprint is registered. Now let's see how it works. So let's turn on the screen and place the finger on the fingerprint sensor and see we have accessed the device using the fingerprint. So this is how we can enable and use fingerprint lock in Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.